Types of variables. Okay, there's IVs, there's DVs, there's confounding variables. There's all kinds of variables, but with this, we're going to identify their functionary types. So the first one is nominal. That's the same as categorical. That's a variable that puts each individual in a specific category, and a number doesn't make any sense, right? So, like ethnicity. Ethnicity, right? We could do Caucasian, African American, Hispanic, Asian. That is a good example of a nominal or a categorical variable. Ordinal is where order matters. In other words, is it more important who finished first, second, third, or like a grade, right? A is higher than a B is higher than a C, right? You get that feeling of order between the different groups. Interval is very rare. The only time I've ever seen an interval variable, they always mention temperature. So let's say you're measuring how many push-ups the Marines can do in 10 minutes, but at one place the temperature is between 0 and 10 degrees, and the other place is between 100 and 110 degrees. So that interval is the same between the degrees. So the only example of interval I've ever seen is with temperature, so don't use it. The last one is ratio. Ratio is just a regular number where 7 is bigger than 3, and 0 has meaning, right? There's a 0 where, example, if you're counting giraffes, 0 giraffes means there's no giraffes. The difference between a ratio and temperature, when there's 0 degrees, there is still temperature. It's just marked 0. So the best way to remember these is noir, like a film noir. It is French for the word black. So that's how you remember. Nominal, ordinal, interval, ratio. The first one, shoe color. Color would put them in different groups. So that's a nominal. Right? The rest of these make no sense. So shoe color is a nominal. And shoe size is a ratio, right? Because it's a regular number. First place, second place, third place. Okay, that should give it away, right? The word order is right in there, so that's ordinal. It's also called rank order data, but we're going to use ordinal. Let's see what the next one looks like. Okay, temperature, that kind of gives it away, right? Temperature can be an interval ratio because at 0 degrees, there's still temperature. It's just marked that way on the gauge. It could also be considered ratio, in my opinion. So age is definitely ratio, right? 17 is more than 12. Ethnicity is nominal, categorical. Test score is ratio, right? 76 is bigger than 50, and you can get a 0 on a test. Test grade can either be nominal, right? Category A, B, C, D, or it could be ordinal because a A is greater than a B is greater than a C, that kind of stuff. So either one of those is it. And that's it. MGZ out.